Entrepix is proud to present our new port server upgrade for the Mirror Polisher. In response to the obsolescence of the Etherlite EL16 and EL160, Entrepix has developed a 16-port replacement solution that installs easily into existing cabling and is compatible with both Windows XP and NT operating systems. The Entrepix port server upgrade is a high-speed solution for communications between ISRM laser modules, cross-axis absolute encoders, or any other automation or fabs host needs. Entrepix provides both written and video installation instructions to ensure minimal downtime. Please give us a call or contact us at parts@entrepix.com for more information.